Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. This is a little YouTube advice. I actually did this as a live, but I was thinking about it. Like, I can't imagine someone sitting there wanting to watch a 3-hour long, you know, video that was done live. So I thought I would compress it down into this video, but there might be a few others after. I might leave it up in the comment section open for any questions you might have. You can just fire away down in the comments, and maybe I'll do another one. I'll kind of answer those questions best I can. I'm going to turn the camera around because I'm going to set up a stove while I talk and make a hot drink, so you guys don't have to sit there and just watch me flapping my gums. At least there'll be a little something going on. Alright, maybe setting up my Trangia set, but I also got plans for canteen cup cooking, so you might want to stay tuned into the channel if you want to see that. I really like this set. I keep paper towels between all the pots, so one, they don't scratch, but two, they don't rattle either. So let me get this kind of going. Okay, so on my channel here, I wear two hats, meaning that, you know, I'm a viewer, but I'm also a content creator. So when I give advice, I'm giving it as a viewer, but also as a content creator. So one question I would probably, you know, one question you should ask yourself is what kind of channel do you want to run? Or what kind of channel do I want to run? You know, the beauty part about YouTube is it's a clean slate. Whatever you want to do, you have just a blank canvas for whatever you want to do. Whatever interests you, hobbies, you want to play guitar? Cool. You want to learn guitar? Cool. You want to draw, sculpt, paint, read poetry, write your own poetry. There's no wrong way to do YouTube. Now, it just depends on what viewers you're going to attract as well, too. So, you know, but I think as long as you're passionate about what you're doing, and I think I see some steam, so we might have, oh, actually quite fast. Using the Calzone Outdoors sent me these hot lips, which I do appreciate, brother. I'm gonna make some hot chocolate. I was gonna do coffee, but I just watched Kat in the North make hot chocolate literally today. She just posted a new video, and so I thought, you know, hot chocolate sounds good. I may make a cup of coffee a little bit later, but yeah, anyway, what I was saying, you know, whatever you have a passion for will probably make good videos because you're passionate about a certain subject. I mean, really, it could be anything. You know, like I said, you know, cars. You can literally be a tour guide in your own hometown. Right. Got my hot lips. Never actually used hot lips before. I didn't burn my lips. Money. Thanks again, Chris. Yeah, it's tasting real good. Anyway, yeah, about being passionate about what you're gonna do, I think is a good thing. To go with my, I found these at the local Chevron of all places, little coffee crisp. So even though I'm gonna make lunch, dessert first. So when I started my channel, originally the whole premise of my channel was I just want to get better with a ferro rod, and I just thought I would document my my journey through doing that. And I would go out to the woods and I would grab stuff you know, lichen, bark. I would just spray it with ferro rod sparks. Will this burn? Strike, 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 strike. I mean, of course, sorry, the wind just picked up and then everything was blowing away and I didn't want to have to chase it across the grass. Well, what was I saying? Oh yeah, with my channel started with making fire. Excuse me. And you know, everything kind of progressed from there. Like, I don't know if I told anybody this, but when I started my channel, you know, I'd been camping, you know, probably a good 6 to 8 times before I started my channel. Maybe a little bit more, I don't know. It was actually a couple years, so maybe a good dozen and a half. You know, we got out when we could, but like when I had my channel, I'd never used the Trangia before. Like, never have. Never used any of the stoves I've shown on video. Up, you know, over the 10 years of doing YouTube. Never had a stove before. Never used Trangia. Never used like canister stoves, pocket rocket. All those stoves were a first-time use. That's why, you know, there's a lot of struggle in like a lot of my early videos, you know, trying to get a Trangia going, or having it too hot, or, you know, blah blah blah, because, well, I'm literally doing it for the first time on this channel. So that's why it looks like it does, because of the way I, you know, because I don't practice everything off camera, because I don't care if I look good or not. I like the keeping it real aspect of the video creation process, meaning I'll just show you as it happens, and if I fail it, I'll take another shot at it next time, or I'll turn the camera off, I'll go cuss and swear and kick a rock or a pine cone across the grass, and I'll take another stab at it. And a lot of things I've done, you know, I hammock camp for the first time. No, actually that's a lie. I was gonna say I hammock camp for the first time on camera, but I'd actually tried hammock camping before YouTube, and the night was, I had no under quilt. I had like a smelly old wool blanket I got at an army surplus store that stunk, like smelled bad, like really bad. So I'm laying on top of that, which, you know, the smell's coming up at me. Didn't get any sleep. It was just, had no had ropes holding me up. It was awful. More so that blanket, it really smelled. So yeah, a lot of firsts on this channel. So did bow drill on this channel for the first time. Tried bow drill, couldn't get a coal the first time. You know, tried again, couldn't get it. Tried again, couldn't get it. Finally, I actually had a company send me a bow drill set, and then I was able to get a coal. So go figure. Even though people told me, oh, that's crap, you'll never be able to make fire with that. And then I just, you know, because I did the initial video, and then I did another video where I tried it, and I was able to get a coal, blew it right into flames. So, and then of course the person who said that never commented back and said, oh, I guess it does work. Yeah, they were pretty silent about it. Go figure. But anyway, that's just, you know, about my channel. But, you know, if that means I have less followers or subscribers because it, you know, maybe people don't like the beginner approach to everything, well, that's just the way it is. Which is another point. You know, you're never gonna make all your viewers happy. You're just never gonna be able to do that. You know, if you find a good following, you get some people commenting, it's all good. But you know, there's always gonna be someone that's gonna be unhappy with your video. I mean, I got a downvote on my carnitas video. I mean, it's like, I was still scratching my head at that one. It's like, what they didn't like, but it's all right. It just comes with the territory, you know. It's like, it is what it is. I think I'm gonna wrap it up here and just do this video kind of quick. So yeah, figure out what you want to do and then implement your plan. If you have any questions, feel free to ask below. I might do another video where I'll answer it. I'll just answer the comment, or maybe I'll do a follow-up video. Kind of think about some other advice I could probably throw out there, and then yeah, we'll just kind of go from there. So if I can help in any way, I'd be happy to do so. Until then, as always, I do appreciate you watching. We'll catch you in the next one.